Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Here is another one of our step-by-step install videos. Today we're going to be covering Tour Pack Pod speaker replacement. This is going to be on a 2014 to 23 Ultra Limited or CVO, any bike that came with the factory King Tour Pack and factory rear 6.5-inch speakers. We're going to be showing you how to install a set of Hertz SV165 Neos, and we're going to be using the factory grills. Let's talk about what tools we're going to need. The factory screws are a T10 Torx. We're going to take those out and we're going to throw them in the trash because they have a problem working loose going down the road. We're going to be using the Phillips screws that come with the speaker and installing our new speaker with the factory grill. We also offer some additional grills. We'll talk about that as we're going through this install. It's a pretty short video. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver to put those new screws in or a drill. All right, so let's get straight to it and let's get going together with it. So first we're taking our T10 and we're going to remove the 4 screws that hold our speaker in place. These 4 screws are going into some rubber grommets that as you tighten it up, they swell out and they grab the plastic in the Tour Pack. The issue is if you use those to put a more powerful, higher output speaker in, these tend to vibrate out going down the road, and if that happens, you look back and a speaker is missing. Speakers are only sold in a pair and you're very upset about it. So follow along here and we'll show you how to not have that happen. So we're going to take that little cheap factory speaker out, we're going to unplug it. Now factory, the large gold connector is the negative, the small silver one is the positive. Harley does a terrible job on wiring and they actually wire the rear speakers in reverse phase to get a little bit more output. We don't want that with our new system. So I'll tell you, we want you to connect the little silver one to the negative and the big gold one to the positive. We're actually purposely wiring them backwards because normally this is going to correct a phase issue. The Hertz SV165 Neos are a neodymium magnet, small rear driver, and they fit in perfect. We're going to clock this a little sideways, missing those factory grommets, and we're going to take the supplied Phillips screws and we're going to screw this straight into the plastic of the pod. By doing this, we don't ever have to worry about the screws backing out going down the road, and we don't have to worry about those rubber grommets pulling out either. This is the way we've been doing it for a very long time. We've never had one come out. Anytime somebody talks about a speaker coming out, it's because they use the factory hardware. So in this case, we use the stock grill. We do offer some Hertz logoed grills, some additional grills. The Hertz grills come with some black sticky putty. And when you put your grill together, make sure you put that putty in the crack of the plastic base so that when the grill presses in, that putty helps hold it in place, also keeps it from vibrating out and missing when you look back as well. But thank you for watching. This was a very simple video. Just wanted to show you how easy it was to change your speaker. Please like this video. The more you like it, the more people watch our videos, the higher YouTube puts us in search results. It helps us so much. Please subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step videos, for the latest in Harley audio and some awesome videos where we do installs and do walkaways. If you like that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe to our channel. Please call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. We'd be happy to talk to you about your bike, put together a plug-and-play amp and speaker package just for you. And if you want to just view these on your own, go to volunteeraudio.com. We have a ton of packages pre-built there, along with speakers, if that's all you're doing, right there at volunteeraudio.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. I hope it encouraged you to take on a job like this on your own. And as always, God bless.